Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how they mount those mirrors on the wall without seemingly having any screws? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to mount the mirrors and how to add an LED backlighting on the mirror to add to the aesthetics. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. To begin, we'll identify a flat level wall. I chose the wall that I had previously done the Christmas tree on, as it seemed rather dull having held such a vibrant piece earlier. We'll need these flash mount brackets that come in pairs. For a large mirror such as the one we are mounting, you'll need at least 4 pairs. And then we'll also need a piece of board, some screws. We have to ensure that the screws length do not exceed that of the block board that we are going to use. We will also require double-sided tape, a Phillips head screwdriver, a cordless drill, silicone sealant, or you can use resin, but these are optional. We will start by first sanding the glass on the sides to remove the sharp edges. We will then follow up by cleaning the glass edges to remove any grit. Grit on the surface of the glass might hamper the addition of the double-sided tape that we are going to use to hold the blocks in place. We now arrange the blocks in the most suitable way, trying to balance out the weight of the glass. After finding the ideal locations, we mark out the points. After marking the points, we now proceed to place the double-sided tape on the block board. We then proceed to paste the blocks behind the mirror and apply some pressure to make sure that they stick well. After that, we can apply some sealant on the edges to prevent dust from getting into the double-sided contact, reducing the addition. Then proceed to mount the wall flash hangers. Pre-drill the holes to make the work easier, but do not use a drill. Self-tapping screws are useful for this purpose since they will create their own holes. After carefully considering the orientation of the wall flash bracket, mount the brackets on the boards using the self-tapping screws. Ensure that the screws go all the way in to ensure that the flash brackets will lock properly. When we are done, we will use sealant on the flash brackets to use it to mark the points where we will be mounting the wall brackets. You can use any other thing that might leave a mark on the wall to be able to see where the wall brackets will go. Paint is also usable but not advisable as it will leave a mark on the wall. Press the mirror on the wall and confirm whether the marking points are clear enough. Now pick up the flash brackets that are supposed to go on the wall, and using a spirit level, you can now proceed to mount the wall brackets. Mark the holes before you proceed. Using a concrete drill bit, Go ahead and drill the holes for the screws on the wall. Thereafter, pick the screws that we are going to use. I prefer longer screws as they will ensure stronger hold on the brackets. Do the same for all wall flush brackets. Pick the glass up and in a downward fashion, place it on the wall hangers and confirm whether or not the glass looks okay. The other method of doing this would be to first and foremost screw the wall mounting hangers on the board and then stick the double-sided tape on the boards and then mount the whole assembly on the wall as shown. And then after removing the protector on the double-sided tape, pick the mirror and paste it on the board on the wall. Proceed to lift the mirror up to remove it and then add pressure on the boards so that they may adhere well to the back of the mirror. This will ensure that you will have gotten the points right on the wall without having to go through too much hassle. The next step is to add the LED snake light around the boards. And then we'll proceed to remount the glass on the wall. These are the side and front views when the mirror is not lit. Power the LED using a socket outlet and enjoy the scenery. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.